Okay guys, Jay Smith back again, another video. Little twist here today. I wanted to go ahead and just share something that I'm doing myself here. I am striping my pole barn basketball court. I decided to go ahead and get this online. This is a Ronan Sports easy court marking, and this is everything it comes with. It comes with these stencils. I got the one that came with 2 cans of paint. I'm using some duct tape. Basically, it comes with a plumb bob to attach up to your goal. All of the instructions on how to lay this out. As you can see, I have already started laying out the first pattern. I've already taken some of the tape up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a few video parts on this so you guys can see this. I have already sprayed. Now I'm in the process of taking this up, and I'm gonna move on to my hash marks block and then subsequently 3-point line. Cool thing is it comes with this, the box that everything comes in is to help protect from overspray out onto your court. So quick video here just to show you kind of how the first part of this was laid out. Again, it gives you instructions on how to do it. It comes with stencils and templates on how to get this all lined out, and hopefully I can come back and show you a finished product here. So, all right, till next time, thank you.